Prenouns. Prenouns are prefixes that you put on the beginning of a noun to add more description to that word. For example, nam is the pronoun for under, and dabian means car. Therefore, namdabian means under the car. Pose means strong, and aboya means drink. So, posaboya means strong drink. Makot means wild, and kajo means cat. Therefore, makot kajo means wild cat. Mano means good, and namosh means bad. Therefore, mano namosh means good dog. Ajwe means behind, and wigwam means house. Therefore, ajwe wigwam means behind the house. Maja means bad, and waben means morning. Therefore, maja waben means bad morning.